Operation Sindoor has impacted the air travel in the northern part of the country. Aviation authorities have closed many of the airports which fall in these northern parts as a precautionary step, and which has impacted the domestic carriers, whether it be Air India, SpiceJet, Akasa Air or Indigo. The airports which have been shut by the aviation authorities include a long list like Srinagar, Jammu, Dharamshala, Bhatinda, Chandigarh, Jodhpur. These are airports, and there are a couple of other airports as well which have been closed as a precautionary step by the authorities. Indigo has announced that more than 165 domestic flights have been cancelled, which were about to operate to Amritsar, Bikaner, Chandigarh, Dharamshala, Gwalior, Jammu, Jodhpur, even Kishangarh, Leh, Rajkot and Srinagar. So the flights bound to these airports or to take off from these airports were cancelled, and the flight numbers are beyond 165. Similarly, Air India has also cancelled dozens of their flights which were supposed to land or take off from these airports. Even SpiceJet, Akasa and Air India Express have also announced that their flight operations have been impacted, and the flight cancellations have been done till 05:29 hours 10th of May. The airlines have announced a one-time waiver or a one-time rescheduling of the flight option to the impacted passengers. Government says that they are ascertaining the situation, and based on which they will issue the new guidelines if required. But yes, Operation Sindoor, a retaliatory step by Indian government, has impacted air travel, and now the airlines are following the authority guidelines or the instructions.